Hi, we're cooking adobo today. The intention is chicken adobo, but let's call this fake chicken adobo because I'll be replacing chicken with tofu. This is one of our vegetarian dish that we are trying here. We're exploring vegetarianism. Special greetings to our friends in the Healthy Living group on Facebook. I'm dedicating this episode to you. Tofu adobo. And these are the ingredients. All the classic ingredients for adobo. Instead of meat, instead of chicken, we are using tofu. And of course, the seasoning, soy sauce, the, what's this? Pepper. And what's adobo without vinegar? Let's start with the procedure.
You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. It is vegetarian today here on Channel 1.
This is not elegant. I didn't know that there's water there. I'm really foreign to tofu. I didn't know there was water in the packaging. My lord, we have to drip this.
The same size as you would slice the chicken, around 1/2 of an inch, ideally. New rules. Yes, it feels like adobo. Same ingredients. Onions. We don't have a bird smell to neutralize, but we need ginger for flavor. And generous, more generous than usual, garlic. Quick with those very simple ingredients, we could start stir frying.
You know, I went to the store earlier this morning. There are pre-fried tofu. I should have bought them. More convenient. I'm beginning to rethink how healthy tofu is because in many recipes where it's used, it's almost always fried. So tofu, in fact, always. It has to have fat because the truth is, it really tastes like cartoon. Yes, cameraman, tofu tastes like cartoon. See, you heard it. It might have been a good option to marinate this first, but adobo is a marinade dish, and it's usually the sauce that marinates it. So I want to follow that tradition. At this point, I'd like to greet the members of Healthy Living on Facebook, especially to Sarai and Lee. Get well soon.
I don't know the right brownness for tofu recipes, but at the stores they are of this color.
Now, after the second batch, this is what we have. I'm going to use the same oil for stir frying, although I reduce it. I added the onions first because the garlic easily brown. You might find this surprising. I'm going to pour vinegar here. That was approximately 1/8 to 1/4. Considering this much, less than 1/4. If you can already smell the vinegar, the evaporation of the acid, and then water.
Freshly cracked black pepper and chicken powder or chicken cube. Stirrable. We need this one.
I'm going to add just a bit of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. It's an option.
And stir.
Just allow it to boil for at least 5 minutes. You need time for the sauce to absorb the spices. Minimum spices, just 3. Just taste it. I like it. It's really good. With this thickness, I can add the tofu's now.
At first I thought stirring would break them, but they're stronger than I thought. Stir it.
The tofu has been cooked, so we just need them to absorb the flavors, the sauce a bit, to marinate, to adobo in the sauce, adobarse in Spanish. That's how the dish got its name, marinade, adobo. So we can leave this now and just allow the dish, or just allow the tofu to marinate in the adobo sauce. Beautiful. Turn it off. And this is our dish, tofu in adobo sauce. Healthy replacement for chicken adobo. I just have to turn it before serving. For now, this is good. Where's my lid? Never seen before anywhere, I think, on YouTube or on big channels. First, in the network, here in Channel 1, tofu in adobo sauce. Gawa na rin.
Thank you for joining me here today on Channel 1 Kitchen or Garden. As you've seen, tofu can be cooked as chicken adobo. Healthier option. Gawa na rin. See you on the next videos.